Good afternoon, Toyota Supra fans. This is Adam out here at Ceramic Pro in Carlsbad, California. And I want to show you a Supra one-piece custom install in progress, but the hood is basically done on this Toyota Supra. This is Ceramic Pro KAVACA new ceramic coated paint protection film. So not Ceramic Pro coatings, it's paint protection film. And for those of you guys on the forum boards who know about the Toyota Supra and how difficult the install is to get paint protection film on this hood in one piece and have it look this perfect. So the Toyota Supra, again, ignore the handprints, ignore this kind of the excess product like this that's still being installed. I'm just showing you the type of coverage that's possible here at our shop in Ceramic Pro Carlsbad, California, but also just what's possible with the clarity, depth, and type of coverage you can get using KAVACA ceramic coated. So look at this Toyota Supra. Again, we haven't finished it yet. There's still touch-ups to do, but you can see how far we're able to get around this edge, how there's almost no excess product whatsoever visible. So you can see we do that here by leaving a bunch of extra film, and then we will stretch it and pull it over that edge when it dries out, and then trim it so that you get a near perfect edge like this one and like this one. And you know, videos never seem to do it justice, but look at the gloss level that the product actually adds to the paint and offers amazing protection. So if you're looking to have your Toyota Supra protected and you're in Southern California and you're near San Diego or Carlsbad, California, please check out Ceramic Pro Carlsbad for any of your paint protection needs for your Toyota Supra or for any other vehicle. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.